not know what to do, then no need to worry, because in this video I'm going to share an amazing website. Through this website you can easily earn money online. So let's get into it without actually wasting the further time. The website you need to earn money online is OGAds. You can easily create one account by clicking here on that register button. It will ask you a few questions. As I already have an account, so let's click on login. When I click on login, such a page will appear in front of me. Now, the only thing you need here is a file, a website, or a unique thing to log. Basically, it's a type of a logger. You can log anything through OG ads, and it will pay you if another person click on your link, complete the task, and swear to God, it will pay you very high. Their paying rates are too much good. As you can see here, top publisher earn $2,000 and number 2 earn $1,000, and also number 3 earns $500 in July contest. So let me give you an example. First thing you need is a unique thing, a unique website, a unique file. As you can see here, there are too much videos like page CapCut Pro for mobile. So first you need CapCut Pro free plan for mobile to log it. And let's go on OG ads and tell you that how you can log it. For example, I need to click here on tools. As you can see, you can log any content, you can log any file, you can log through any captcha, smart links, and so on. So basically we are going to log up CapCut Pro, so I need to click here on file loggers. The first thing I need to do here is to click on that create a file logger. I already have a one. If you want a full video that how to create that logger, then I will also teach you. So I need to click on that actions button. After clicking on that, as you can see here, we need to click on view details, and here's an icon, preview icon. As you can see here, it's a simple page, but you can customize it according to your needs and wants. It's just for example. Now whenever another person click here on start download button, a quest like thing will appear in front of him. After as you can see here, unlocking will allow access to the premium content. So he needs to click here and complete a task. After completing a task, he will get that paid CapCut Pro. To watch more video, kindly hit on that subscribe button.